much clothes today, so I'm about to go and show it off. I'm enjoying my company, and you know what sounded like fun to me is not answering any of your calls. I just wanna take it easy, maybe act like I'm from the city. Don't